Hello children, I hope all of you and your family members are fine. So children, yes, today we are going to start part 2 of lesson number 2, how the earth looks, for class 3 and subject social studies. Okay, so before we start part 2, let us recollect what we have learned in the part 1. Yes, in the part 1 we have learned about globe. What is a globe? Yes, in order to understand the whole world, for that thing we will use what? Globe. And again there were two things, the oceans and the continents. So how many oceans were there? There were 5 oceans. What are those oceans? They were Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. And how many continents were there? Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. And today we will discuss about map. What is a map? When you are having a globe, why are we using map? Okay, so globe is used to understand the big things. Okay, it will not give you the detailed information, but it will show you that how many countries are there and the rivers and the colors, like that it can show. But in order to know about the small things, to know about the small states, definitely a country has a state, and in order to understand about a state, we will use what? We will use a map. Okay, let us discuss that. It is fun to look at a globe and to find places on it, but it is difficult to show small places on the globe. Yes, in order to locate the places on the globe, it is very easy, and as well as it is fun because it is very, globe is very colorful. The different countries are been colored with different colors. Okay, so it is very beautiful. But the it shows countries, it does not show us the states. So in order to discuss about the states, in order to discuss about the small cities which is located in a country, for that reason we will use what? We will use a map. To show small places, we shall need a very big globe. It would be very difficult to handle. To solve these problems, we can use map. So every time we cannot use a big globe. Okay, there is a globe, but in order to know about the states within a country, again for that you need a big globe. Okay, so that big globe, every day we cannot handle it. Suppose if a person want to locate the direction, so that person cannot take a big globe along with himself, isn't it? So for that thing, in order to solve that problems, we made what? We made maps. And with the help of maps, we can easily know about the small states, we can know about small cities. A map is a drawing on a flat surface. It can be drawing on the whole surface of the earth or any part of it. Map can be very big, they can be very small too. They can be folded, we can carry them easily. We can use them when we are traveling. So yes, map is like a drawing on a flat surface. So it can be drawn on a book, okay? It can be drawn on like a paper. It can drawn on a floor. It, wherever you want, you can draw that map. And if you are drawing that map on a paper, it can be folded. Okay, it can be kept in the pocket. You can fold that map and you can keep in the pocket, and again you can open it, and again whatever the things you want to just know, again you can see, again you can look at, and again you can fold it and you can keep it in your bag or in your pocket. So sometimes a map is very big and sometimes a map is can be very small also. They can be easily folded, and you cannot take globe wherever you want to take. Okay, so for that reason, but map is there, and that map you can easily take from one place to another place. It's just you need to fold it and you need to keep it in your bag as well as in your pocket, or else in your pocket, and you can take it wherever you want to take. Okay, हम ग्लोब को हर जगह उठा के नहीं लेके जा सकते wherever you want, but अगर वो मैप हो, जिस पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन के बारे में हमें मालूम करना है, वो पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन को हम अगर ड्रॉ करके उसके बारे में लिख के, तो हम उसको फोल्ड करके मैप को कहीं भी लेके जा सकते हैं. Okay, it can be easily folded, and or else you can get a booklet, atlas, where they will show the different types of maps. They can show us the rivers, they can show us the directions, they can show us the mountains, they can show about the states, they can show about the countries. Even the small cities also can be shown in a map, in that booklet, in that atlas. But if you want to just know about a single place, so for that reason you can use a single map which can be easily folded. We have big maps in our school. We can hang them on the wall. They are called as wall map. We have small maps in the book. So see, this is the book. I am having a map over here. So this map is called as what? Small map. But in the schools, okay, in the schools we have a big map, like a chart shaped map, and we will paste it on the wall and we can make you to understand it. Huh? Whenever we want to teach you something about the globe or something about the map, we can utilize that big map which is hanged to on the wall, over the wall. So that is called as what? That is called as what? Wall map. ओके तो जो मैप हम स्कूल में एक चार्ट टाइप का मैप जैसे हम लगा के वॉल पे लगा के पेस्ट करके आपको समझाते हैं कि कौन से स्टेट्स कहाँ पे है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? वॉल मैप कहते हैं. एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? बिग मैप. एंड दिस map which we are using in the book, okay, the small maps, these are called as what? Small maps. Small maps और जो wall पे लगे होते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? Big map और wall map. Okay, a map on which the whole surface of the earth is drawn is called world map. Yes, so a map जिसके अंदर पूरा surface, पूरा world के बारे में draw किया जाता है, पूरे वर्ल्ड की जितने भी कंट्रीज है उसे ड्रॉ किया जाता है, और 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स अलोंग विद द ओशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? वर्ल्ड मैप. ओके, सो देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मैप आल्सो. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट कि हमारे पास सिर्फ अगर ग्लोब एक है तो मैप भी एक ही रहेगा. ओके, वी हैव ओनली वन ग्लोब वेयर इट इज शोइंग अस अबाउट द होल सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ, बट वी कैन हैव डिफरेंट मैप्स where it can show about the world, it can show about the state, it can show us about the particular state, also only one state. So if India is having suppose 29 states, so a map can show us we can have 29 different maps showing about that particular state. ठीक है, ग्लोब क्या है? हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही ग्लोब रहता है जहाँ पे वो पूरे वर्ल्ड के बारे में बताता है. लेकिन अगर मैप हमें चाहिए, सपोज इन अ कंट्री इज हैविंग 30 स्टेट्स, 35 स्टेट्स, तो अलग अलग स्टेट का भी हम अलग अलग मैप बना सकते हैं. दैट इज द यूज ऑफ मैप. Is it clear? So if a map contains the whole surface of the earth, it is called as what? World map. Okay, it is called as what? World map. So we can find the names of all oceans and continents in it. Yes, with the help of map we can even find the different types of oceans, different types of continents easily. It is very easy for us to find all those things. Okay children, so again next thing is what? Like हमारे पास अगर ग्लोब है तो हम वो ग्लोब को पेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं कोई भी बुक पे, राइट? लेकिन इफ लाइक इन द बुक्स, definitely your teachers will give you some homework to paste this map, so easily that one paper map you can purchase it and you can easily paste it in a paper or a book in your classwork or else in your homework book. So whichever the things are there on a paper, that is called as what? Map. But if it is a globe, it is different. Map and globe both are different, but both can show same thing. But the only thing, globe can show us only the few things. It can show us only few things, but map can show us the things which are in deep. उसके स्टेट्स के बारे में, स्टेट्स के अंदर और कितने सिटीज है उसके बारे में भी हमें मैप बताता है. Okay children, so for today this much is enough. Like what are the map, wall map and world map. Next class I will show you the directions of the map, like how the map can be used by using the directions. कैसे हम मैप को यूज कर सकते हैं, मैप्स के डायरेक्शन कैसे कैसे हम उसे पकड़ना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए. In the next class I'll teach you that. So for today this much is enough. Just go through the lesson, understand what is globe and understand what is map. Okay children, yeah, we'll meet you in the next session. Till then, goodbye, take care.